腿有什么不一样呢？
它的腿有一种一层一层的感觉，
一层一层的，
就是这里是最粗的，我
是吗
觉得，因为这里是来内脏。
哇，你记真美耶！
偏题了。对，整个吃下去，对。容易的嘞，它会有一点辣，那个脸。
感觉要哭了，为什么？
有没有别的东西可以吃好吃？
第二个，好吃吗？
是什么味道？
它是，我不知道怎么形容吧，我们有吃过的味道。肉炸，
是吗？OK。
肉炸的味道
所以，我要吃那个 onion。
肉炸的味道，肉炸的味道。你是没有力吗，Florence？你是没有力吗，Florence？OK。哇！
还有中一个。
你手伸直，等你丢的时候再伸直。哦 ，OK， 有达到，有达到。Hello everyone, this is Angela from Internet Plans again, and today I'll be doing a plan with me for the 4th to the 10th of September. So it's been a really long while since I last did a plan with me. I even made a vlog of my trip to Thailand in April, and that vlog is finally released in this video, but it's been a very long time. So April to September is like 5 months, and that's how long it took for me to finally film the video successfully, find the time to edit and voice over a video, and then finally upload it up onto YouTube. So yeah, that's a very long gap, and I hope nobody has forgotten me. But for those of you who are still here in my channel, thank you for coming back, and let's see how much updates I have in my life. So as you can see in the video, I've been using a Hobonichi original and cousin recently for my planning needs, and the one you see in the video right now is Hobonichi original. It's A5 sized. It's small, it's compact, and it has weekly and daily pages, which I love. So coming up next would be a journal with me video where I do a lot of journaling in this same book on the daily pages. So that would be interesting as well. Okay, so right now what you see in the video is I'm using a vertical kit from the Happy DAYA. That kit is sized for the Erin Condren vertical boxes, and the boxes in, or rather the width of the columns in the Hobonichi Techo is a little bit slimmer, and it's just not the right size. So if you remember when I show you all of the stickers at the start of the video, they all look like they've been cut through. That's because I spent about half an hour cutting every box to the size of the Hobonichi Techo, and so they will fit nicely while I plan my days. So this video is actually filmed on a Wednesday. That means my Monday and Tuesday plans were actually what I did on Monday and Tuesday. They were not like planned beforehand, but Wednesday onwards were actual future plans. So that's a very interesting fact. I feel like I've been planning that way for a long while because of the lack of time I have in my life right now, and I've been catching up on my planner for a lot of weeks. Mostly I plan on random sheets of sticky notes, random memo pads, and I kind of just write them down in just random slips of paper. And then when I finally have time, I put them all over into this planner, and I don't do that very consistently. So I do have a lot of weeks that I'm missing in this book that you're looking at right now. I do have maybe March to all the way to August that do not have any planning at all. My journaling didn't start until the end of August, where I finally got my life back together. And yeah, so that's the updates of the past 5 months. It's been a mess, and I feel like there's a lot going on right now, but somehow having one new factor in my life has gotten it all back together, which is weird. So I finally applied to a master's program in a university studying information studies, and it's an interesting experience. I do like learning new things, and schooling has never been a stressful period of my life, so I feel like it has gotten me to relax a lot more than any other thing has this year. Even bullet journaling hasn't been as therapeutic as I thought it would be, and sleeping enough hasn't helped. I feel like if I sleep less, at least I get to have more time to relax, but that's unhealthy, so I'm trying to avoid that. But I do sacrifice a lot of time not being able to do a lot of other things because of the time I spend in school. So right now I do spend about 9 hours in school per week. So I have 3 days of 3 hours in school, and they are all after work, after my day job. So that's 3 days gone. And then I have signed up for a gym program. Hopefully I become a lot healthier than before. So that's 2 more days gone because gym has to go after work or on one of my weekends as well. And usually when I go out for gym, I kind of stay in the shopping mall where the gym is at and eat the meal that's closest there, for like lunch if gym is at 3 p.m, or like dinner if the gym session is at 7 p.m, something like that. So I feel like half the day is gone in that mall, and I don't have a lot of time to do other things as well. So yeah, that's my life. I do have one free day, and if my job doesn't take that free day from me, I feel like that one free day is a very luxurious day. I get to sleep in and do nothing. But then by the end of the day, I feel like I've done nothing and I feel kind of stressed out. I always want to do so many things. For example, I want to play a lot of computer games, which I don't get to play since somewhere at the end of July. I also want to read a lot of books, which is very difficult because I do have 200 plus books in my TBR, and that's not going to read itself. And that list has gone longer and longer, and I know this is a phenomenon that's normal for so many other readers out there, but like I just want to finish these books, you know. So it's a bit frustrating when I see the list go higher and higher in number when I've been reading so many. But okay, that's another problem for another day. So I hope you guys like this week's plan with me. This has been a very nice experience. My video didn't get cut off in the middle of filming. I didn't lose the video somewhere in the middle of transferring, and it's just a really successful filming session that I had, and I'm just really happy that it happened the way I wished it would. And this is just a new experience after a really long time. Yep. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon in next journal with me video. And thank you for watching. Bye.